As early as 8 in the morning, all roads that led to the ancient Makpo Hall had been blocked. Vehicular movement was at snail speed as people walked miles to find their ways into the coronation venue. Journalists also had difficulties having access to the venue. The stage is indeed set as history will be made here at the ancient Makpo Hall in Ibadan, area of Oyo State. The 42nd Olubadan of Ibadan land will be installed. From Nupe, Kano, Sokoto, Ife, and other parts of Nigeria and beyond, royal fathers came to give royal support to one of them. From Ogun, Ekiti, Ondo, and Kano states, governors were also on the ground to congratulate the governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, for restoring the long-known history of Olubadan. The Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, and former Vice President Alhaji Atiku Abubakar also joined the Ibadan people on this day. Here is the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadan, Oba Mahood Olalekan Ishola Balogun Aliwo Okumade II, and the staff of office presented to him.
I hereby present the staff of office to the 42nd Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Mahood Olalekan Ishola Balogun.
Engineer Seyi Makinde thereafter congratulated the new king and said he felt relieved that the long-known history of ascension to the Olubadan has been restored.
And I want to be safe that even though our Oloselu, we will come and go. Sometimes, to satisfy our political wings, we make decisions that do not protect our traditional system. But this is why the custodians of our culture must always take a stand against us politicians tinkering with age-old traditional system. Tá a bá ṣòṣèlú, èyí tẹ́ jẹ́ custodian traditional system wa, ẹ má ṣe òṣèlú pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, who sang two different songs known with Ibadan, congratulated the town and extolled the virtues of the land, not forgetting the mention of how the famous shooting stars of Ibadan placed the country ahead of other countries in football.
It's therefore not surprising that Ibadan is a city of many firsts, home to the first indigenous TV station in Africa, home to the Shooting Stars Football Club, the first Nigerian club to win an international trophy, the African Cup Winners' Cup in 1976. This is the home of the first university in Nigeria, and for many years, the iconic Cocoa House was the tallest building in Nigeria, standing as a towering edifice dominating the city skyline. A powerful visual reminder that Ibadan ceaselessly inspires us to strive for greater heights in every endeavor. Your Royal Majesty, Mr. President has asked me to convey his special and respectful felicitations to you and the royal family and the great people of Ibadan.
The atmosphere was electrifying, the people in happy mood, and the rest is now history as the new Olubadan of Ibadan, the man who will be 80 years in October, promised not to let the people of Ibadan down.
Thank you very much. I can assure you that I will not let you.
The most captivating moment of the event was when the now Otun Olubadan and former governor of Oyo State, Senator Rasheed Ladoja, paid homage signifying Ibadan land traditional history is now strongly back. From Makpo Hall in Ibadan, it's been Bumi Adigun reporting for OGTV News.